Hi, Kipsters. Hi, families. Welcome to today's Number Corner. Ooh, some friends trying to beat me with their thumbs. Thumbs back down. Get ready. Thumbs up. Elbows out. Get ready. I love math. Yes, I do. I love math. How about you? Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Months of the year, get ready. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Months of the year. My turn first. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2020. One more time so you don't miss it. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2020. Today is let's do a virtual high five because you all got it. You all said today was Monday, May 18th, 2020. Time for my favorite part of Number Corner. Hands up like you're about to ask a question. Get ready. How many days have you been in school? Count with me. Get ready. 100. Stop. Switch. Count by tens. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. Stop. Switch. Count by ones. 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169. We've been in school a new day, so I need to add. That's right, I need to add one more. What do we notice about these 10 ones? What can I do? What should I change? That's right. I know that 10 ones is the same thing as 1 10. So instead of keeping these 10 ones right here, I can change these 10 ones into 1 10 stick because 10 ones is the same as 1 10. Because it's the same as, that's right, 10 ones is the same as 1 10. So I'm going to erase these 10 ones and replace it with a 10 stick. So great. Now let's recount to see how many days we've been in school now. Get ready. 100. Stop. Switch. Count by tens. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170. Whoa. We have been in school 170 days. That's a lot of days, friends. So, I'm going to go ahead and write the number 170 in our 100s, 10s, and 1s chart so we can figure out if the number is odd or even. So, we've been in school 170 days. Perfect. Now, my next question is it odd or even? Odd or even? Odd or even? Odd or even? This should be so easy because you already know what place value to look in to figure out if a number is odd or if a number is even. I want to know, is the number 170 odd or even? And how do you know? Tell me in 5. Thumbs up when you got it in 4. 3. Whoa, I see a lot of thumbs now. And 2. Last couple seconds and 1. And 0. Tell me, is the number 170 odd or even, and how do you know? Whoa. Yep. Y'all got it. The number 170 is even because there's a 0 in the ones place, and I know that 0 is even. One more time in case you missed it. I know the number 170 is even because there's a 0 in the ones place, and I know that 0 is even. So great. Get ready for coins. Get ready. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. A penny's worth 1 cent, a nickel's worth 5 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, a quarter 25. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. Pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. So quick, this is called that's right, it's called a dime. How much is it worth? 10 cents, and we know it's a dime because it has a straight line. Next coin. This is called not a quarter, don't get tricked. That's right, this is called a nickel. How much is a nickel worth? Miss Ross always forgets. Silly me. It's worth 5 cents. And how do we know this coin is a nickel? How do we know this coin is a nickel? Oh, that's right, because he has a braid. Next coin. This is called that's right, it's called a quarter. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. And how do we know this coin is a quarter? Oh, because he has a curl in his hair. Last coin. My favorite coin. This is called it's called a penny. And how much is a penny worth? Yeah, just 1 little cent. And how do we know this coin is a penny? Facing the wrong way. All up in the Kool-Aid, but don't know the flavor. Friends, it's time to switch count. It's time to count by ones. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Stop. Switch, count up by 10s. 23, 33, 43, 53. Stop. Switch, count up by 1s. 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Stop. Switch, count up by 2s. 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72. 74, 76, 78, 80, 82. Stop. Switch. Count up by 10s. 82, 92, 102, 112. Stop. Switch. Count back by 1s. 112, 111, 110, 109, 108, 107, 106, 105. Stop. Switch. Count back by 10s. 105, 95, 85, 75, 65, 55, 45, 35, 25, 15, 5. Stop. Switch. Count back by 1s. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Great job. Switch counting with me. Today, we're going to solve an addition problem with two-digit numbers. It sounds a little tricky, but I know you guys got it. So, I'm going to show you 2 really cool ways that you can solve 2-digit addition problems. So, my situation equation is 64 plus 30 equals question mark. So, when I have two-digit numbers that I want to add, I'm going to add the 10s first, and then I'm going to add the 1s. Let me show you. So, in the number 64, there are 6 10s. 6 10s is also the same as what number? Let's count and find out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 6 10s is the same as what number? That's right, it's the same as 60. So I'm going to do 60 plus, not in the number 30, there are 3 10s. So 3 10s is the same as what number? 3 10s is the same as 30, that's right. So now I have 60 plus 30 equals blank. I need to figure out what 60 plus 30 equals. I'm going to grab 60, and count on 30. 70, 80, 90. So 60 plus 30 is what? That's right. 60 plus 30 is 90. So I added the tens. Now I need to add the ones. So I have 4 ones in the number 64. Uh-oh. My 120 chart tried to fall down on me. So I have 4 ones in number 64. So I wrote my 4 right here. But I have 0 ones in the number 30. So all I need to do is add 4 plus 0. What's 4 plus 0? That's right. 4 plus 0 is the same as 4 plus nothing. And that just equals 4. Now, I need to add my 90 plus my 4. 90 plus 4 is what? If you get tricked, we can just count on. Grab 90, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. There we go. 94. So now we know that 64 plus 30 is how much? 94. Great job. Now, I want to show you another way that you can solve this problem. Let's say this method is a little tricky for you. You can use tens and ones. I'm going to show you how. So, I have 64, so I'm going to draw 64. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Stop, switch. Count by 1. 61, 62, 63, 64. And now I need to draw 30 more. Count with me. 10, 20, 30. What strategy do you think I need to do in order to count my 64 plus my 30? That's right. I should count my tens first and then go back to my ones. So, let's go ahead and count to see if we get the same answer. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Stop. Switch. Count by ones. 91, 92, 93, 94. Whoa. So 64 plus 30 is what? 94. Great job. I showed you 2 different ways to solve the same problem. You could have added the tens first and then the ones. Or you could have drawn out using tens and ones, counting all your tens first and then going back to count your ones. I want you to take out a sheet of paper and a pencil and solve this problem on your own and send your answer to your homeroom teacher. I want you all to solve 56 plus 20 equals blank. So, you can use either strategy to get the right answer. I wonder who is going to send in the right answer first. Bye, Kipsters. Bye, families.